Hello my friends and welcome. Katie here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I am featuring Pink and Main as part of a giveaway hop. You can enter to win a $25 Pink and Main gift certificate by commenting and clicking the Rafflecopter link in my description box below to confirm your entry. So leave a comment below and then click that link in the description box to confirm your entry. More details and the next creator on the hop will be listed in the description box below. So some of the products I've got are the Celebrate stamp set and coordinating die from Pink and Main, and then the mandala stencil from Pink and Main. I've also got the classic linen white pearl cardstock from cutcardstock.com. And this, for those of you that are familiar, this isn't my normal setup. I actually had to, my husband and I are out of town for a family emergency. His mom is really sick and she's actually having a procedure done as I do this voiceover. So we're praying that this is going to heal her and get her back on her feet. Now, because of that, I had nothing with me. So I picked up the Momenta freestyle embossing machine from Hobby Lobby that was on clearance, and I used that to and that silicone mat from the baking section. They didn't have the Spellbinders one, which actually I think is good, because this, now I know that, and so do you, that you can use one of those silicone mats to emboss your stencils. So this technique is perfect for any stencil. You can replicate this card with any stencil and a word die. So I'm just taking that black paint and splattering it some metallic paint from Prima Marketing, and the black and gold is what I use for splatter. Just wanted to keep this quick and simple. And then so I did have some supplies. I don't travel with no craft supplies, but so I had my stamp platform, I had my Stays On Black pigment ink, the piano black, and I had some black cardstock and the white pearl cardstock. So I layered up the embossed panel with the black cardstock. I cut the Celebrate word die out of 3 layers of the black cardstock, and then I used that black metallic paint to paint over the word Celebrate. And just, the black was just a little too stark, and that really just set it off. It gave it a nice charcoal look, I think. And then I used the card base, that just cheap set that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, as extra cardstock, and I used that to stamp the Little Things banner that I created. And that's it. I mean, it couldn't be more simple, easy to replicate. Now, this isn't the card that I had planned. I will do a video once we get home and we're settled, showing you the card that I had intended to make, and because I have totally different products that I had picked up for that. And yeah, I mean, I love that pearl cardstock. I'm so glad that I just happened to bring that and was able to use it in this video, because it really embossed beautifully with that stencil. But that's going to wrap up the card for me today, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and select all notifications so that you will be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.